Oh my gosh, hi guys! It's been a minute, but I've been con crunching since November. These two cosplays in this con crunch Chronicles videos has taken me 5 months. So please enjoy this crunch video. For my Mandalorian OC as my character Supernova, I used EVA film and 3D prints for this one. I bought a lot of my 3D prints, well, all of my 3D prints from Etsy. Links will be in the description box. My inspiration for my Mandalorian OC was like a Sith Lord Darth Maul type of look. I modeled it behind pieces that I saw on Etsy, and I kind of just screenshotted them and drew them on my iPad, and that's how I got my inspiration and my look for this cosplay. My base suit was something that I found off of Shein, and I ended up just hand sewing all of my Velcro onto the suit myself because I still don't know how to use a sewing machine. Note to my future self is to definitely sand down my prints before I start spray painting, because I did get bullied by one of my mutuals for not doing so. And also buy more than one spray paint can of anything that you need, because I went to Walmart multiple times during this process. Testing 1 2 3. Mic from Amazon. Can't tell if you can hear me from the outside or not. Battery pack's gonna go right there. And I'm trying to figure out if I can put my microphone somewhere right here. Alrighty, moving on to my new Nubia cosplay, aka Wonder Woman. This suit was made primarily of EVA film, but I also tried out Warbler for the first time. Ignore how like lumpy kind of looks in certain spots, because this is the first time I ever used Warbler, but I will get better because it was so much fun using it, and it's way easier than what I thought. I ended up being able to use contact cement to glue my EVA film onto the actual Warbler itself, so that was very, very easy. To officially make this into a corset, I ended up buying this little clamper thing to make holes in the back of my suit so I can make it into a corset, and then I was able to lace it up, and I ended up using lace that I had bought originally for my original Nubia suit for this one. Okay, error on my part. My fan and my mic cannot fit in the helmet at the same time with my head being inside of it. So when I go out on Saturday, I will only have a fan and I won't be able to hear because the fans are so loud in the helmet. But I'm planning to upgrade this by the end of this year because I don't really like the openness here. Like, I found some pieces that I used for an old cosplay, so I'll probably add some stuff here because I do like this belt, because then I have like, I can hold all my stuff. But that needs to change, and then the chest plate, I'm gonna update that, and probably my arm pieces, like everything that's foam is gonna end up being 3D prints like everything else. And I'm also thinking about changing this color scheme because I do love the red, silver, and black, but something about it is like not really giving. So I probably end up changing it in the future. But other than that, it came out really cool. Like, everything is sick. The only other error is my knees. because of these parts, my knees clock together, so I will be walking through the convention holding my knees, like. But other than that, that's good. I'm so happy how this turned out. I've been working on this and my Mandalorian since November of last year, and I look like I just popped out of a comic book, baby. This is gorgeous. Hope you guys love this build, and I hope you guys like my other build for my Mandalorian. And give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow for more, because I have more cosplays coming up for this year. I know I've been lagging, but I was working on this and it was very stressful. So bear with me and come along for the ride. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.